Creating Carnival Kartong is an artist development programme where we've brought together artists from different disciplines, and they've had opportunity to take part in different types of workshops in art form development in the Gambia. Through the links with Kartong Festival, we've had opportunity to link with artists from all over West Africa. So we've been able to work with artists from Gambia, Senegal, Guinea, to have a kind of introduction and taster into the different types of percussion, dance and visual arts and masquerades that are used here in West Africa. As well as the workshops, we've been developing work ourselves with the communities in Kartong to develop a carnival procession as part of Kartong International Festival. It's been really interesting to see different types of carnival practice from Brazil to India to Trinidad to West Africa, all coming together to create something unique and special. We've also been using traditions from the lantern parades in the UK that's been really exciting to see here in the Gambia, particularly because where we are in Kartong there's no street lights, so there's very little electricity, so it's really illuminated the streets with something really special.
Built a huge giant puppet of Oshun out of bamboo, and then I've carried it through the streets, actually carried it on my shoulders in the parade, which was the most amazing experience. It was a bit tricky dancing in it, and it was very tricky negotiating the obstacle course that I had to go through to come out into the main arena, but that was just an incredible experience. It was just beautiful.
I've been involved in the dancing, and I've been a butterfly with massive big wings in a parade with loads of kids in it, and I made friends with some.
As part of this programme, we thought it was really important for us to share our skills and our knowledge with local communities here. So as well as developing art-related activity, we've also been working closely with Kartong Festival Committee. So we've started to share our skills and our knowledge with the festival committee here, with the hope that we can help them to build in a bit more sustainability and resilience to their whole programme.
Yeah, I work with Global Groove. This year they make our festival great. Our festival never happened like this, and we work hand in hand with them. Everything goes well. Within the community, everybody was happy about the Global Groove, and we hope to work with them for many years to come.
Global Grooves coming to the Kartong International Festival is giving it another dimension, which is to show the international aspect of it. It's a specially packaged tourists who are coming for festivals, so we are very happy about that.
We didn't want to film the trip here full of just music and dance workshops. We thought it was really important for the people visiting here to be able to delve a little bit deeper into the culture in a way perhaps as a tourist you wouldn't have that opportunity to do so. One of the highlights, I think, of this trip was we were invited to take part in Kartong Festival boat race. One of our teams came third, which was a real surprise, but I think only perhaps because one of the local boats capsized.
I've had a most fantastic time while I've been here in the Gambia. Everybody's just really bonded, I think, even more than they were before. And in particular, one thing that springs to mind that I've really enjoyed, which is drumming on the beach. It was a really magical moment.
For me, the most memorable experience has to be the day working in the local school. We had more than 150 children packed into a hall who were totally fascinated, excited, engaged, and giving us their attention and respect all day. It was truly inspiring.
This is my first time in the Gambia, and it's my first time ever doing anything like this. Whatever my expectations were, it's just exceeded them by about 1,000. Turning up on the first day with 30 people I didn't know to 10 days later, and I've got an amazing number of new friends. But I feel privileged to have been part of all of this, to be honest.
I'd like to say to Global Grooves, thank you for being really nice to me and organising this whole big thing and being involved in your big festival.